Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Many of designer make only simple section, but today let's take a think a bit further. So we will build a straightly complex testimonial design. So if you can master of this kind of design, so you will be able to handle any kind of advanced layout easily. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I share design that other don't. So not just a design stuff but really high level component here. So hit the bell icon too, and I put a lots of effort into each and every video and you will get a new idea daily. You can you can level up your design skill. Okay, so here are actually the testimonial section we will creating today, and it's actually clean and professional and eye-catchy with the profile image and highlight the quote and grid based layout that work that business and portfolio kind of website. So this kind of design you can use for portfolio business, whatever you usually want. So this kind of design build a trust is essential if you are showing to client review, product feedback or testimonial, whatever you want. So and finally I actually offer as my service that is W3 Learner. So this is a W3 Learner of my product is Elecraft. So Elecraft is my product, and of course if you want to website like this build for your client and your portfolio, your own business, so this Elecraft will helps you to make into awesome design. So let me introduce you to powerful tool I created, that is Elecraft. So Elecraft is built developer for designer who wants to build a website faster. So if you just go to my website, that is w3learner.com, here you will find a lot of section. You just see, and what section you need you just purchase all from me, and actually you collect the full Elecraft file from me and upload to your subdomain and domain, whatever you actually want to upload. Whenever you need actually with a specific section you need like this testimonial block and like this testimonial block, and just simply download and import to your website and customize and done. And or if you can upload the full file to your client website, customize it to, and when you're done you just delete the file from your client website. Then it actually the super efficient, super fast. You don't need to design anything from scratch every time and save hours of work. So let's get started to this video. But if you need this kind of Elecraft product, you just directly contact with me, and if you found if you found the purchase link from a description, you just hit the link, and if you don't found, you can check out the comment below. And if you don't found, directly you can contact with me on w3learner.com. This is my website, and here my has a WhatsApp number and email. Directly you can contact with me. I will give you very fastly. I will contact with you very fastly, so no problem with that. So let's get started to this video. Today's video will be this testimonial design. So this testimonial design actually I will make for you. First I will taking a widget, that container. This container should be full width container, and the container name would be testimonial section. And in this testimonial section we will add some nested container, just adding a container. And before adding new container, I will just clicking this testimonial section, going to advanced, and here I will I actually don't use any extra padding, default padding actually, and we will use it 0. And this container, it should be in the name. This name is the testimonial. Yeah, these are the sorry, the spelling mistake. Testimonial. And this testimonial we will add stuff that is going to advance, and here I will add padding top. First click the link value together and padding top should be 140 and bottom should be 140 and right should be 50 pixel and left should be 50 pixel. All right, so here done. And here what you're gonna do, this testimonial container layout should be the direction horizontal and align item should be scratch. Very good. And finally we will adding a new container here, and these are the container for contain 2 row, that is these are the 1 row, this is the 2 row. So this 2 row contain needs a parent container, so these are the row parent container, row parent container. So in this row parent container we will adding a new container for nested container and duplicate it. So first container name would be row 1 and we will duplicate it twice, and that should be the row 2. All right, so this row 1 here we will adding some margin top for 50 pixel. All right, so here we will add in this row 1. So you just think of this thing, that is in this row here we can see 2 column, that is one for this, one for this. So what actually we need, what we do, just in this row 1 here we will add gain 2 times of column. So this should be over here, and this column should be the left testy, and this should be duplicated the right testy. So later we will duplicate it, but right now I leave it right testy. So first what you're gonna do, just click this row 1, and this row 1 layout should be the direction horizontal and align item stretch. So here, yeah, the left testy we will working over here, just working over here. Our structure is ready, all structures ready, done. And later when one structure one design is done, we will duplicate it later. So right now we just make it the structure. Now what you're gonna do here, first we will adding an image widget. So to simply drag the image, this is the image. So I will upload an image. The image should be this one, and going to style, and this percentage, make it the percentage and 70%, and this should be the left. And image, in this image we will adding a border radius should be 100 pixel, because when you upload this image actually the circle image, but if you upload square image and it will automatically circled, so don't need to design make it circle. But this design I already make from Canva, that's why it's circle right now I'm showing. But if you are upload square image, it will automatically circled, so that's why I use border radius 100 pixel. So here we have some noise. If you face some issue, sorry for that. So here I actually sorry for you, no, not for you actually. I'm sorry about the background noise. So yeah, so we can do step by step all things. So here if I go to the advanced, and here I will add some stuff like a margin right. I will add 40 pixel. I will add some extra margin over here. So image is done. Now we will adding a new widget, that should be the text editor. So I have added the text editor. In this text editor we will do magical stuff. So you can't imagine the how I do how actually text editor can do this kind of design. You cannot design this kind of stuff before. So we can do this just clicking this text editor. Here we will add the style, go to style, and here what you're gonna do, first go to advanced, maximum stuff we will do in advanced section. And here we will add some stuff like margin, negative margin I will add here 40, and the padding it should be not like first we can add like going to border, a background, and border. Yeah, border. We will add some box shadow, and box shadow, it should be, I have a box shadow and copied this one, and the blur, it should be 25. It been done. And border radius, I will add 25. Its border radius has been added over here. And now I will add some padding here. I will add some padding. Padding top should be, first you have to make sure the link value together is unchecked, and the top should be 50, and right should be 50, bottom should be 35, and left should be 50. So yeah, so in left should be, you can add, decrease the size 40, and right 40. These are the done. Now I will add image, like this image. We will add this image. So this image, actually we will work with this text editor, so don't need to do extra element adding. So what you're gonna do, just going to advanced and going to background, and here I will upload this quotation of mark, quotation image, the select, and this image should be no repeat, and position custom, and that should be that should be 100, not 100, is percentage, 100 percentage, and this should be the should be the percentage, and these are 100. Okay, done. Your here the design is completely done. And what you're gonna do, just again if I click the text editor, going to advanced layout, here we can add it the 50 and also 50. And now if I go to this background again, and this Y position, sorry, X position should left little bit, 90, 95. Yeah, now what you're gonna do, this text editor, going to if I go to the advanced and going to margin, and it should be the negative 40 pixel, it should be top. Okay, now if I if it's here, it has some issue, like bottom issue, you can make it 70 or 80 pixel, 70 pixel. Okay, so yeah, it's done. So very easy thing. And backgroundly here we see a map logo, map image, so you can download from map, dotted map image from download. You can add it, you can add, just going to style, here I will upload the map image. So this is a dotted map, the select, and this should be the position center, and no, this one, this here we do not use, we use as an overlay. So here we will add the image, this image, and here this should be the center, and this should be the 0.54. Yeah, these are the design. Okay, so our first look is done. So what you're gonna do, just duplicate it 2 or 3 times. So here the left testy, we just duplicate it for right testy, and we just delete this right testy and make it we just change the right testy, and in this right testy we just adding some extra space for margin 40. As you can see here, the first one, the second one is little bit down from first one. Okay, so you can change the image, this one I upload it. Okay, it's done. And similarly, what you're gonna do, just this row 1, we just duplicate the row 1, and we just delete the row 2 and change the name. Just a very simple task, right? Now you think the Elementor complex designer are actually not a complex thing, it's a very easy thing. So I just here you just make sure, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you think that is you need this kind of design at once, you just contact with me. I just give you the minimum amount for all design. Okay, so our computer view is done. Now just click publish, And if we're checking the tablet mode is perfectly fine. But if you can increase the picture, your picture weight, and decrease, if you want to decrease the quotation mark, whatever you want, no problem. Okay, I just add for here. Okay, so this text editor for computer, or sorry, tablet, we just do the another stuff. Paste style and write testy, text editor, paste style, and this one paste style, done. And this image style, we should paste style, paste style, paste style. Oh, sorry, and paste style, done. For mobile, just publish. And for mobile, what you're gonna do in mobile, we just see that is what's the mobile design. Mobile design is like this. Okay, so what you're gonna do, but I think these design are perfect for mobile. But here we need to do just going to testimonial, this testimonial, and going to advance. Here we just put some value for padding. Bottom should be all as 0 first. Okay, now what should we do here? Here all are 0 for mobile, and this text here we need all are 0. And now we will add, okay, 50, but top we need 50, bottom we need 50, right we need 0, not like 0, 10, and left should be 10. Done. And we need the margin, sorry, first here the margin 40, but padding top we need to down. Yes, it's perfectly done. So if you don't want the photo for mobile, you just for mobile, no repeat, display size auto, resolution it should be medium size, 300 size. But here actually not option for mobile, decrease the size for mobile, so no problem, you can use, but but if you don't want for mobile, so you can remove the icon, you can remove it, like you can do this like this, minus, if you put negative value for X position, it will be gone. Okay, but I just keep for mobile. Okay, $50, $30, $20. Okay, now it's been done. Now similarly we just copy it and paste it over here, paste style, perfect. It's been done for mobile. So yeah, so here if I go to the advanced, for row 1 top is 50, and if I go to row 2, here's top 50, we don't need a top 50 here, we just removed. And the row this testy, left testy, here it has no extra margin padding, just always 0. You don't need to do this 0, but I just checking some issue has or not. So yeah, this is the right testy, here is the top is 40, so we don't need this 40 for mobile, just 0. And do the same stuff for right testy, or row 2, it will be 0. Okay, all right, so this is the design. So I think if you found the great video from today, so if you actually found the actually the very important thing, like guys, actually it actually this is actually not just a design. Actually, it's about building your skill or portfolio, your business. So if you are serious about become a top designer or developer, to follow me, subscribe, and use Elecraft, and let's grow you together. So your next client is waiting, and let's give them design that wow. See you in the next video. And first, lastly, I just want to say that if you actually need a full website from me, like this kind of, using this kind of design, I can help you. Just go to my w3learner.com and you just go to the home, and yeah, here you will see my my package and get in touch. And I offer affordable price for startup, freelancer, or small business. No problem, you can just contact with me. And if you and contact with me, yeah, these are the stuff, no problem. So thank you very much. So today's video will be that.